Hello friends, in the today's lecture we are going to see what is qualified associations. As all of you know that the association is the relationship between the two classes. The qualified association is a type of associations and it provide more quality to the association. That's why the name is the qualified associations. Here in this qualified association we use qualifier as an attribute. Qualifier that is used to select an object from the larger set of related objects based upon the qualifier key. Qualifier selects among the target object and it reduces the effective multiplicity from many to 1. Here through diagrammatically we see how the qualified associations will give to the associations. Okay, so the first diagram is there. That diagram says that it is a means in this diagram the qualification is not there, that is the not qualified diagram. And the second diagram is the here uses of qualifier is there, that's why we say that it is a qualified associations, or we say the it is a qualified diagram. So here in the first diagram the two classes are there, the bank class is there and the account class is there, and here the account number is the attribute of this account class, and in between these two classes there is a relationship, that is the association is there in between these two classes, and the multiplicity we use as a one to many, that is bank services the multiple accounts and multiple accounts belong to a single bank. Here the bank and account are the classes, and we say that this account number we use here as a qualifier in the qualified diagram. So suppose if you want to select or search one account holder's name or one account from the multiple account, okay, so in that time we using this qualified associations. So here I want to search one account from bank, okay, so through account number I am searching the one account holder's name or the account holder's account. Okay, so that's why here you can see the this many multiplicity is reduces to 1. So using this qualifier I have selected the one account from the multiple account. Okay, so for that purpose we are using the qualifier. Here this first model and the second model, these both the models are acceptable, but the qualified model adds the information. Okay, so the notation for the qualifier is a small box on the end of the association line near the source class, and here the source class is the bank. The qualifier box may grow out of any side, top, bottom, left or right of the source class. So here the source class plus the qualifier yields the target class, that means the bank plus account number yields the account. Therefore the account number is listed in the box continuous to the bank. So here we can say that this qualifier selects among the target object for reducing the effective multiplicity from many to 1. Okay, so we have selected this qualifier from the target object for reducing this many multiplicity to the 1. In the next diagram the same type of diagram is there. There are the two classes, the product catalog class is there and the product description class is there. So one product catalog contains the one or many product descriptions, and if I want to search one product descriptions from the product catalog through for that we use this item ID as a qualifier. So through item ID we can select one product descriptions. So for that scenario we can use the qualified associations. So likewise we can use the qualified associations in the associations. So qualified associations are a great way of showing how you select a specific object from a set by using a unique key, and here we are using qualifier as a unique key. So these are the references. From this I have used the diagram for the explanation purpose. Thank you.